Corporate Data Collection Simplified with SAP Analytics Cloud and INFOMOTION. In this video, we will show you how you can use our business content application to support a month-end close. Before we start, a brief word about us. INFOMOTION is a technology-agnostic full-service provider of BI solutions operating out of 9 offices across the German-speaking countries. Our SAP Analytics Cloud application is built to support a typical monthly close scenario. Collect actuals from your operating units, run sanity and quality checks on submitted data, analyze the month-end results, and perform latest estimate projections. As this is a demo version, it obviously doesn't support the full suite of capabilities we would provide in a completely integrated application. The basic structure of the application is a 5-page story built on an SAC model with planning enabled. The story provides the data entry, visualization, and projection functionality. The model is where the chart of accounts and organizational hierarchy are configured. On to our showcase. Our starting point is the summary page. We'll come back to this later. We can use the tabs at the top to navigate around the app. We use the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement both for initial data entry and to review the figures in detail. The data monitor provides a summary view of the key financial metrics and our trial balance control. The data monitor is our essential dashboard for sanity checking our data. The filter between the tabs in the menu bar is used to select which organizational units to work on. Let's illustrate the role of the data monitor by introducing a deliberate error. We can change cell values simply by overtyping. The statement immediately updates and our change rolls up automatically into the totals. All changes are highlighted and we can see at the bottom that we're now out of balance. If we go back to the data monitor, the trial balance control chart makes our error glaringly obvious. Now let's look at the functions of the summary page. This leverages built-in features of SAP Analytics Cloud for collaboration and interaction. We can place comments to call attention to features of interest or anomalies for investigation. The automatic forecast function is particularly interesting. SAC intelligently selects a mathematical model which best describes our data and uses this to project results for future periods. The cone around the forecast indicates the range of potential outcomes. The narrower the cone, the more confidence we can have in the projection. Let's now have a look at the underlying model. We've provided a pre-built chart of accounts with roll-up calculations. All we need to do is add entries in the organization dimension for the operational support units we want to capture individually. Each unit has a base currency specified. Amounts entered are automatically converted to reporting currency for the summary view. Of course, once you've imported the content into your account, you can also tailor the story model to your specific needs. That concludes our tour. Thanks for watching.